Hello and welcome to Learning Game Dev. It's been a few days that I didn't upload a new video. So as you have heard, Unity has some new pricing, policies, I think, and there were a lot of discussions about it, and frankly I don't know what's that about, and I don't think that would change my workflow because I haven't started Unity seriously. Some people say that Godot is a good substitute for Unity, and I thought maybe I give it a try, and it looks like a nice engine. And currently I'm watching tutorials and trying to work with godot4. It's open source, and as I saw, I can export to Android, iOS, and HTML5 and PC and more. So I should give it a try. And when I completed my tutorial, I will make a video about coding in godot4, because I had to figure out some of the things that are updated in godot4. And as you can see right now, I'm learning to make a platformer game, and I'm currently like in the second video of tutorial, and it's about this. And I had some Mario sprites on my computer, so I tested them, and as you can see, I have more to learn. This is a stretch problem right here. I will figure out later about it. And about Unity, I wanted to learn car physics, and it turns out that it's not that easy. And let me show you that. Okay, so I have to research what's up with Unity and all those news. And as you can see, I had old project for last year and a year before it, and it's almost complete, and I fixed them bugs, and it's a driver test. It has a lot of bugs, and I just started. It seems that it's not that easy, but I will give it a try, since I really like to make a remake of Driver 1 or something in 3D game engines. And I haven't tried Unreal yet, and my focus right now is on Godot and Unity. It's now importing, and so this is what I could struggle and create, and I don't know if it works well. As you can see, it's on the collisions has bugs, and I will fix it. It shouldn't be that hard. And this is I could create from the videos, but I need to check out more tutorials about it. Like we have a rigid body here, and the wheel prefab has a mask. I always called these things masks, and we have a wheel collider object. I should learn to set them better and more precise and smooth, of course. And I might create a new model on Blender or download one, a free model. About models, I don't have problems really, because I know how to work with Blender, but Unity, there are some challenges. And there's this box that has collider, and the car drops, but not very well yet. And this is what I'm working on, and I think this will be a good tutorial for godot4 that I can make when I finish my tutorials, and hopefully I can create great projects with godot4. And it looks like it has a nice 3D environment, and I gotta work with nodes, of course, in Godot. The GD script is nice, it looks like Python, and I'm working pretty well with it. I might have to add an external editor for the codes, and for now it works well. Thank you.